In this video, I'm going to explain in as simple words as possible what is Bitcoin hash price. Bitcoin hash price is simply a metric that represents the daily revenue earned per terahash. It basically determines the profitability of your mining operations. Now, what is terahash? 1 terahash is 1 trillion hashes per second. In the context of Bitcoin mining or blockchain, the rate of hashes per second is important because it determines how long it takes to complete a block. Coming back to Bitcoin hash price, it's determined by two things. The first one is Bitcoin difficulty, and the other one is exchange price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin difficulty is a measure of how difficult it is to mine new Bitcoin blocks. Exchange price of Bitcoin fluctuates, and that is why Bitcoin hash price also changes constantly. Hash price is very useful in estimating miner revenue, but don't forget the cost of electricity, hardware, and maintenance when determining profitability of your mining operations. I hope that this was useful. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.